Hello dear friends, it's Princess Alex, and today I want to show you a video about Disney princesses under the rain. Enjoy watching! Princess Pocahontas from Pocahontas.
I can't sleep, yeah. Only miss you when I'm breathing in too deep, yeah. Am I just your little secret? I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't want to see the warning signs.
Princess Rapunzel from Tangled.
Oh, I should've known. It hits me like a tidal wave every time you say my name. It hits me like a tidal wave. It hits me like a tidal wave.
Princess Belle from Beauty and the Beast.
Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. I was so blind, waiting patient on the shoreline. Now you're leaving.
Princess Jasmine from Aladdin.
You got your reasons too. I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't want to see the warning signs. And now I pay the price, yeah. Oh, I should've known. It hits me like a tidal wave.
Princess Snow White from Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
It hits me like a tidal wave. It hits me like a tidal wave. A tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave.
Princess Moana from Moana.
Sleep, yeah. Only miss you when I'm breathing in too deep.
Princess Mulan from Mulan.
Am I just your little secret? I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't want to see the warning signs. And now I pay the price, yeah. Oh, I should've known. It's me like a tidal wave.
Princess Ariel from The Little Mermaid.
It's me like a tidal wave. It's me like a tidal wave. A tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave.
Princess Tiana from The Princess and the Frog.
I was so blind, waiting patient on the shoreline. Now you're leaving, but I know you got your reasons too. I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't want.
Princess Aurora from Sleeping Beauty.
And now I pay the price, yeah. Oh, I should've known. It's me like a tidal wave every time you say my name. It hits me like a tidal wave. It hits me like a tidal wave.
Princess Merida from Brave.
Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave.
Princess Anna from Frozen.
I can't sleep, yeah. Only miss you when I'm breathing in too deep, yeah. Am I just your little secret?
Princess Elsa from Frozen.
I didn't wanna see the warning signs, and now I pay the price, yeah. Oh, I should've known. It hits me like a tidal wave every time you say my name. It hits me like a tidal wave.
Please write down in the comments what is your favorite art. Please like and subscribe for more new videos. Thank you for watching. Now you can watch one of these videos. See you soon. Bye bye.